Good morning. My name is Migrisel from Sunshine Stay Academy. We are learning our alphabet letter. Today we are going to be focused on the letter C and in the letter D. Right here, remember that the three important things that we have to know about our letters. First, how they look, what is the name of each letter, and what is the pronunciation of each letter. The letters are like us, right? We are kids, but each one of us have a name. It's the same thing with the letter. We have a letters, but each letter have a name. Right here, let's say hi, letter C. C and the letter C. This one is capital letter and this one is lowercase letter. In two words, it's the same. Look how they look. Just one is big and one is small, but both are the letter C. What is the sound of the letter C? The sound of the letter C is ka, 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 ka. So now let's learn how to write our letter C. It's very easy. Do you know what is a circle, right? So in this case, we are going to make like a semicircle. What is a semicircle? Is the half of the circle. We are going to start on the top. And let's see, we are going to make like a circle. We go down, down, down to the bottom. And we stop right here. Let's see our lowercase letter. The same thing, but we are going to put our pencil in the middle because it's the small one. We start right here in the middle, like a semicircle. We go down, down to the bottom, and we stop right here. Super easy. Now, we said about the sound of the letter C, right? So let's start to learn to know some words that begin with the letter C. What is begin? It's the first letter of each word. Like C is for cat. Great. C is for cat. What word we can say with C too? Let's figure out. Let me see. Candy. Great. Now let's continue with our second letter for today. The next letter is our letter D. Look how they look. Remember that I said the most important thing is recognize the letter, how they look, what is the name, and the letter pronunciation. This one is our letter D. Capital letter and lowercase letter. It's like a big sister and the baby sister. What is the sound of the letter D? The sound of the letter D is da, da, da. Now let's learn how to write our letter D. We are going to, important how to hold the pencil. We are going to start from the top. We are going to make a straight line down. Right here, we stop. Now we go again to the top. We are going to make like a semicircle. Remember what I said, a semicircle is like the half of the circle, or it's like a curve. Let's do it right here. We go down, down. We are going to try to find the end of the line. We stop right here. Let's try with our lowercase letter. Very easy. Do you remember our letter C, lowercase letter? We start in the middle. We are going to make like a semicircle too, and it's going to look like when we make a semicircle, we stop right here. That look like a letter C. Right now we are going to make a straight line that we're going to start on the top and go down. And that's it. It's very easy. So let's see our sound of the da, da, da. What words we know about the letter D that begin with the letter D? Remember that I said begin is the first letter. When we write about a letter, we put the first letter D. Like D for what? D for doll. D for the dinosaur. Great. Good job. So thank you to be with me today. Bye-bye. I see you tomorrow with the new letters, okay?